Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated India's Commonwealth Games medal winners a week after the Glasgow Games concluded. He hosted the contingent at his residence at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg and praised the athletes for their efforts on the international stage. India finished fourth in the overall standings with 39 medals, 13 gold, 17 silver and 9 bronze. Among those who met the Prime Minister were prominent medalists including Olympic champion Mirabai Chanu and boxer Lovlina Borgohain. During the interaction, Modi said athletes had been among the most frequent visitors to his residence over the past 12 to 13 years. He credited their sustained efforts over the last 10 to 12 years for India's growing success in international sport. Modi also stressed that sporting achievements can influence children and young people. He said athletes winning medals could encourage the next generation to take up sport more effectively than campaigns or speeches. The Glasgow Games concluded with the Commonwealth Games flag being handed over to India. Ahmedabad will host the 2030 Commonwealth Games, which will be the centenary edition of the event.